talk about how to do the line lock in here. And if you do Super Track Pack, hit line lock, activate line lock control. You can see on the screen here it tells you apply pressure, and I'm pushing, and now I'm in the zone. If I hold the OK button, now I can let go of the brake and apply throttle. And I simply let off. Ooh, these very black marks back there. That was a little burnout. We go down here to the Super Track Pack. It takes you to this screen here. We go to line lock. We tell it to activate line lock. And it tells you on the screen, apply brake pressure. You got to keep pushing. And now it tells you, hit the OK button. It says it's enabled. And here we go. All right, we're going to do the trans brake now. We're in drag mode. If you follow Dodge's instructions on the screen, you'll be highly disappointed because it almost implies that you need to be at the pre-stage light to start the process, and that you pull both paddles back, you get the revs up, and then it says pull to the stage light, and then let go of one, let go of brake, let go of the other. However, that's very time-consuming and doesn't work very well, and in fact, that's not what you got to do. The fact of the matter is you're going to pull both paddles, you're going to put it in the rev range, the RPM range that it wants. Then you're going to let go of one paddle regardless of what's on the screen, and then it'll tell you let go of the brake and then let go of the other paddle to make the car launch. And it's a little bit easier to deal with than if you go by the instructions that's on the screen. We're going to do it my way, and I'll show you guys how it's done. You can see on the screen it says trans brake feature access, pulling both paddles. I'm just going to do this quickly. Both paddles, bring it up in the zone, let go one, release brake, and launch. Both paddles, RPM range, let go one, release brake, and launch. And obviously I'm not flooring it at all because we'll just spank the tires off since we're not on the track. And let's take a look at what that looks like from the outside.